we divide 536 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get zev. So now we put down these 3 and 5 times zev mean zev. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down this 6 and it is 36. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put zev. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get zev. So 536 divided by 5 is 107 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.